Okay, so let's start. This is your bottom piece. This is the second part that goes on top. This part is perspex. It's about 2.5 or 3 millimeters. And it still has the cover on it. I'm not going to pull it off right now. Then you get another piece of this that goes on top. And this is your main part. This is made for the slot where your actual design will fit into. Then these little pieces need to line up all of these holes to get these pins through it. Okay. For your hardware, you're going to need a female connector. You're going to need one of these strips. And you're going to need a 12-volt adapter. And a screwdriver. And a scissor. Okay, so for the sake of the video, I'm going to use this. It's just a little piece of neon flex that I've connected to the female outlet. Reason being is I actually bought 2 of these from a local Chinese hardware store, and yeah, neither one of the 2 works. So useless. Okay, so you're going to want to start off with using your base. Your base is where you're going to attach your light to. I'm just going to use this faulty one as an example. Okay, so first we're going to line up this, because this is your second part of it, right? Then you're going to use these little pins, and you're going to stick them in there. They're going quite difficult, but it's fine. It's obviously better to keep it together. Right, sorry about that. Okay, sticking them all in now. Okay, so then this is the piece you'll have. So it's the solid piece at the bottom, and it's one of these 6 small pieces at the top of it. Then we're going to go ahead and add in the perspex part of it. Okay, that goes in. So obviously from the perspex part of it, that's where the light is going to come from. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and either add your light, or you can add the top piece as well. I'm just going to add the top piece. Okay. Make sure they're all in. Okay, so this is basically what you have. You have your flat layer, you have the 6mm layer with the gap, you have a 3mm layer with the gap, you have a 6mm layer with a gap. Okay, now at this point you're going to add in you can chop the one side totally off, it's fine, so it can fit in here. And you're going to use, you'll see they come with double-sided tape. If not, you can just add that on. You'll stick it inside, and then this little female connector will connect into here. So this part lays in here. Okay. For the sake of this, I am not going to use this because it's broken. I'm also not going to glue this onto here because I'm not going to use it. Okay. So this is what you'll end up with, but it'll just be obviously neater. Then this is your top base. So here your acrylic will slide in and it will lay on top of your light, this light. Right. So I'm just going to go ahead and close it up. Okay, this is your final product. It's just a little base, a little case. Okay, my light flew out. So there you have your little hole where the light goes in. The reason I like to use the pins is should the light be faulty, you can just replace it, so it's easy enough. So in this case, and just pop this in there. It's going to look something like this. And then of course my light is in there. I'm just going to close the curtain for a second. And then we're going to use this 12-volt adapter. Plug it right in there. And this is what you should get then. So your light shines out right all around it and on the inside. Then this little strip here, because your acrylic is lying on top of the light, it'll shine into the design that you have. Yeah, obviously yours will be a little bit more sturdy because, well, not a little, a lot more sturdy because everything will be stuck on properly. But yeah, that's your base. Pretty simple and straightforward. Let me know if there's any other questions.